How to easily unlock a forgotten 3-digit suitcase combination lock. So if you want to open the forgotten 3-digit suitcase combination lock, then first thing you need to do is you need to push the button on the lock to put pressure on it. Depending on what type of lock you have, either slide the button to the open position or pull down on the lock itself like you're trying to open it. This should put the mechanism into the open position on the inside, even though you can't open it yet. Now spin the first number, dial until you hear a click. Put your ear up next to the lock and spin the first number, dial one number at a time. When you hear an audible clicking sound, leave the number in the position. You should go through all the 10 numbers. And now the third step is rotate the second dial until they click as well. And same thing do with the third also. Now slide the button on the lock to open it. Once you found all 3 numbers, you should be able to pull your lock or slide the button to open it. Now you can write down the combination that the lock opened so you don't forget it. But if the lock doesn't open, try starting with the last number dial and working your way towards the first one instead. Using this technique can be kind of tough, especially if you're in a noisy area. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't work for you. So in this way, you can unlock a forgotten 3-digit suitcase combination lock. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.